Welcome to my second appointment with my chest, what's inside my toys chest and toys box. And I'm going to show you some more interesting toys about the way I deal with my autism and my depression. Uh, they are colorful and beautiful toys that I'm glad to show you. This is the first box, and it's full of beautiful objects that I bought online on Amazon. These are just few of them. They smell so good. They are very colorful and they can get longer. Very elastic. Some rubberish things. This is balls, squeezing balls. They are very rewarding when you squeeze them. Can you see? They are very beautiful. Yeah, this one, they are. There is a ball inside, and you can feel it under your fingers, your fingertips. And I think it's a piece. Piece. They are very beautiful, even for dealing with stress. I keep them all those in bed because I'm so sad when they get dirty, so they need to stay in their little bags. Then I have these balls. Many of these balls. I love them. This one is bouncy ball. And this one other balls are not bouncy. Then I have these beautiful little objects. They are very soft. You can squeeze them. Look at them. They are all different with their little faces. Faces. You know, I have a lot of them. They smell so good. They are some of the best toys, squeezing toys I have. They are really beautiful to touch and feel in your hands. I cannot explain to you if you never tried them, the sensation they give you, but I love them so much. They are even a little sticky, but they don't get your hands dirty. Well, I still have these. I only order elastic toys. They are my favorite kind of snakes. They are worms, centipedes. They are very beautiful, full of colors, and you can stretch them, and smell them, and play with them. They are beautiful. I love it. And when you touch them, they are not smooth. There are all these little things on them that make them so you know, good feeling to touch. I often have these in my hands when I go out, when mostly when I go to see doctors, because they are all these evil doctors who say I should be, you know, hospitalized and take drugs, etc. Well, I just face them, their prejudices with that. I'm very glad I have them. And I have them in the little bags. Well, then I have many dolls, especially Barbie. This one is very beautiful. Many Barbie, you know. And this one is a doll I bought recently because of her beautiful hair. I love combing those hair. If I remember that my childhood, I never had the chance of having those because of my kind of, confused gender identity. My parents didn't accept there was a transgender, so they never bought me those, and I did it in my adulthood. You see, her beautiful hair and even smells so good. The hair, it's very, very beautiful, and I keep keep her very protected in my bag with their accessories, etc. Wow. I even have little mini puppets. My little mini puppets, many of them, they put them, you can put them in your fingers because they act like mini figures. This is an old woman, and this is a cow. This is a kind of a horse, I think. I don't know. No, a lion, maybe. This is a chicken. This is a dog. And they are very soft. You can put it on your fingers, like that. Let me try. So you can put this one like that, and the other one like that, the chicken like that. Well, like that, you can play, and you can even, invent stories and plots. And these little animals and these little figures can help me to keep me company in my long days alone. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope I hope I see you in the next ones. Thank you again for your attention. I see you in the next videos.